Hey friends, before we start, please subscribe to the channel for more fun English learning videos. Today, we are going to follow a simple stick figure through a funny daily life story. Let's begin. I woke up late again. Now I am already behind. I am brushing very fast. I do not have time to waste. What should I wear today? Everything looks confusing. Where is my other sock? This happens every single day. I missed breakfast again. Now I am hungry and sad. Wait for me. I am running as fast as I can. Sorry, I am late. Please let me come in. I will sit in the last bench. Maybe no one will notice me. I am trying to stay awake, but my eyes are so heavy. Oh no, the teacher asked me a question. My mind is completely blank. I gave the wrong answer. Now I feel very embarrassed. Finally, lunchtime has come. This is the best part of the day. Too hot to eat. I have to wait a little. Hey, that is mine. Do not take my food. I forgot my bottle. Now I am very thirsty. This lecture feels endless. I am trying not to fall asleep. I need to write this down fast. I do not want to miss anything. Not now, pen. Please work properly. Why is this so hard? I am feeling nervous already. I forgot everything. My brain is not helping me. Oh no, it is too late. I have to hurry again. Just 5 minutes on my phone. I will study later. I wasted too much time. Now I need to get serious. Let me start again. This time I will focus. Focus, please. Do not look at the phone now. One step at a time. I just need to keep going. I am improving slowly. This feels good. I will come in a minute. Just wait for me. I need a short break. A little walk will help. Oh no! It is raining. I did not expect this. I forgot my umbrella. Now I am stuck in the rain. Why are these stairs so many? I am already tired. I am exhausted. Today has been a long day. At last I am home. I need rest now. This feels better. A snack always helps. Just one more episode. I keep saying that every time. Night is quiet. It is the perfect study time. My eyes are closing. I need to sleep soon. Tomorrow I will wake up early. I am setting the alarm now. Plan first, then act. A list makes everything easier. I missed a call. I should check it now. I should call back now. No delay this time. I need only the basics. No extra shopping today. I forgot the list. Now I do not know what to buy. Where is my friend? I have been waiting for too long. You are late again. I was waiting here. Let me explain this. It's easier than it looks. I got it right. Finally, I answered correctly. Today feels better. This walk is making me calm. Good night. Tomorrow again, I will try my best. That was our simple stick figure daily life story. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next one.